Multiplying two fractions together is very similar to simplifying a single fraction because we're just going to cancel common factors. So looking at 3x squared over 2y times 4xy over 3x to the fourth, the common factors are any of the common factors in either of the numerators. So it's basically looking at the numerator as a product and the denominator as a product. What's going to cancel is I see I have a 3 and a 3. The 2 will cancel with the 4, leaving us with 2. The y's will also cancel with each other. And now we have to deal with the x's. Altogether, there's 2 x's here and 1 x there. That's 3 x's total. So that will cancel with 3 of those x's, leaving us with just 1 more. So the whole fraction is going to simplify into 2 in the numerator and x in the denominator. So 2 over x. When the numerator and denominators turn into polynomials, it's going to be real important that we factor those polynomials first. So for x squared minus 7x, we're going to want to factor out an x and rewrite it as x times x minus 7. In the denominator, 2x minus 14, we can factor out a 2, again leaving us with x minus 7. In the next fraction, 4x minus 8, we can factor out a 4, leaving us with x minus 2. And in the denominator, x squared plus 3x, we can factor out an x, leaving us with x plus 3. Now, look for factors in either of the numerators to cancel with factors in either of the denominators. So the x will cancel with this x. The x minus 7s will cancel with each other. And 2 is a common factor in 4 because 2 times 2 makes 4. The x minus 2 and the x plus 3, they don't have anything to cancel with them. So our simplified fraction is going to be 2 times x minus 2 all over x plus 3. And there's no need to FOIL it out or anything like that. You can leave your fraction in factored form. Again, when we have polynomials in the numerators and denominators, we'll need to factor them first. So x squared minus 25, that's the difference of two squares. That'll factor into x minus 5 and x plus 5. The denominator of this first fraction, x squared minus x minus 20, that's x plus 4 and x minus 5. In the next fraction, 3x plus 12, we can factor out a 3, leaving x plus 4. And in the denominator, again we have the difference of two squares, so that's going to factor into x plus 1 and x minus 1. Once it's completely factored, go through and cancel. I see I have an x minus 5 in numerator and denominator, and an x plus 4 in the numerator and denominator. Nothing else matches up, so what I'm left with in the numerator is 3 times x plus 5, and in the denominator we'll have x plus 1 and x minus 1. Once again, you can leave your fraction in factored form.